cherry lovers. I gotta show you guys today that we're going to do some trimming. We're going to do a little trimming, but we're also going to do a little tying this tree and training. I'm going to show you guys how I was taught and what I was supposed to do. And this was supposed to open the tree up, give it more air through it, so it keeps the bacteria and fungus and all that kind of stuff. And plus it helps it grow bigger and makes everything look the way it's supposed to. It's supposed to look kind of uniform. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you guys what I got going on. I'm going to, of course I got string all over the place, but anyways, on training this, you got a few things that's got to be done. Like this tree here, this branch needs to be brought down about like that. That way there it gives you your 40 to 60 degree angle on that one. You have to go to this one and do a 40 degree 60 on that one. And then this one here needs to be brought back for this year, back down here. And I'll tie them off and I'll show you guys just how to do it. I've got some metal stakes that I got them laying all over the place. I must have kicked them all around, but I got some metal stakes here that, anyways, I got two of them and I'll show you guys how to do it. But the stakes are made with coat hangers. I'm saving money. I buy metal coat hangers or used coat hangers that nobody wants, and I use them to stake it down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I'm going to tie these off, and then I'm going to stake them down, and then you guys get to see what's going on. So when you tie them onto the branch with some burlap, good strong burlap rope. Don't tie them real tight on there, because then it's kind of like you and I will be cutting off the circulation. So you just tie them on there snug, give them a good tie, and then it's good. But then I always make sure that I tie it down and figure out where I'm going to pull it down to the ground. Come down here, and I got a knife in my pocket here somewhere that I'm going to cut it, and then we'll go from there. So that's how we do things here. And tie it around the stake and give it a couple ties of knot. Doesn't have to be hard to do. And then you bring it down here until you figure you've got it to a 60 to 40 to 60 degree angle. You shove it down in the ground, and there. That's how you do it. Now I'm going to go around and do another one, and we'll go from there. Of course, when you got the burlap walking all over it, it's supposed to stay in your pocket like it's supposed to, but it doesn't always stay in your pocket. So, but and as you can see, now I'm going to tie this up like so. Tie it again. Not too tight. Never tie it too tight, because if you do, you'll have a mess. And of course the trees don't want to play, they want to play games with you, but anyways, you bring it down. You keep bringing it down until you get it to where you want it. Stick it in the ground, and of course, there you go. As you can see, it's tied back quite hard. I don't have any more stakes right now, but that one there will have to be tied back. This one here has to be tied back, and then it opens it up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause a minute and find the other two metal stakes that I got in the ground here, and then I'll come back and I'll show you guys the rest of it. Okay folks, I'm back. Got me more stakes. Now I'm going to show you, now that one's pulled down and that one's pulled down and I've got them staked, I got a problem here. I was going to stake this one off, but it tells me that it's underneath this one and it's shaded. Can't have that. So what I'm going to do is take out my trusty pruners. I'm going to prune this one off. It's got to go. So, like that. And that takes care of that. Now that opens that up, gives it more air. We take care of that problem. So now I got one more that I have to tie off, and then I'll be done. And this tree will be uniform, and it does what it's supposed to do. So I'll tie this one off as soon as I find all the string in my pocket. And we'll tie it back here. Tie it like before, and you just take your time and tie it real easy. And tie it onto the branch. Find your spot down here. And of course, you get your knife. It's all over the ground. And you slice it. And you tie your ropes here off. And you figure where this has got to come down, and then you take it and it'll come down, and there you go. Now they're out the way they're supposed to. And as you can see, now that tree has all been trained, and that's the way it'll stay for a couple years till the branches are gone out the way they're supposed to. They stiffen up and then they stay that way, but that's the way it's supposed to be done. And then the other branch that I cut off, but see, then there's nothing underneath of it. You give the good uniformed look of a tree, of a cherry tree, and basically that is where it's supposed to be. So that is how you train trees, folks, and I hope you like this video. And until next time, have a good day. I intend to.